% of total 385 comes around 27, which the provisional vacancy list provides. But in the final vacancy list, they reduced it to 25, my lord. This breaks the continuation of the roster itself.
The roster is in question as it is.
When the new roster also, my lord, the OBCB candidate is entitled to have 7%. Your lordship will also find that in case of SC also, my lord, the vacancy position changed in the final vacancy. But here the number of candidates is much less.
One.
Yes.
One less.
One less, but in the panel, my lord, there are no such SC candidate. But in OBCB, there are number of candidates, but vacancy remains reduced to number 2.
Yes.
But only one thing, my lord, I have not challenged the rule because this is not by interpretation of rule. The rule says that final vacancy can be changed, but in case of total vacancy only. Here the total vacancy remain unchanged, but my 7% has been degraded.
Reduced.
27 to 25.
The candidate is ranked 2 in the male-female category. Not 2, 3.
Page 46 and the final vacancy is 47. 47 Milord was informed, was known to him since November. After Milord participating in verification, Milord final panel and interview, Milord, his name figures in the waiting list. His representation is at page 48. And it's dated 28th of January 2026.
You published the final vacancy list at that point
November.
of time?
No.
Final November.
No. January, my lord. Panel is in January.
Final vacancy.
November. Indicated in the month of May.
May at the time of publication you published it. That is all right. Recruitment notice. And the final one came in November? Not in January?
No. January is panel.
Panel, after panel, I have made representation. In any chance, delay in coming to the
No,
court.
that means you took a selective chance.
Not that, my lord. May I say? How they will improve that I am entitled to get 7%, but they have reduced it to less than 7%.
Then you should have challenged it when the final vacancy list came out. You didn't.
No, I didn't know that at that point of time. After
What did you know?
The vacancy position, which at the time of final vacancy publication, my lord, at that time point of time, I didn't know about that. As soon as the merit position comes and the panel has been published, my lord, I came to know, and thereafter I made the presentation.
The petitioner participated in second SLST.
May I point out one order of your lordship, my lord? Only one order, my lord. This question has come before your lordship, my lord. Though, my lord, that has been by a untainted teacher of first SLST, my lord, your lordship has pleased to direct to file a report. Accept. Teach. Pending আছে এটা।
See, this is in 21st of January 2026. Today, we are on 18th. Nearly a month is
they
over.
are changing the
rule
of the game after the game is being played.
This is not the indicative list, and the vacancy final vacancy list is never the change of the game.
Well, that's 7% according to the roster. Well, I am entitled to get 7%.
কি বললাম? At the time of publication of the tentative vacancy list, the OBCB category. No, the OBCB category showed 27 vacancies in the subject economics for classes 11 and 12. Bengali. At the time of publication of the final vacancy list, the vacancy has been reduced to 25. Stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the same. Stop. His name features in serial number 3 of the provisional waiting list published by the Commission in respect of the male-female category. Stop. Next. The petitioner submits that had the vacancy position not been reduced, comma, then petitioner may have been the petitioner could have featured in the select list instead of featuring in the waiting list. Stop. Paragraph. It appears that the vacancy, the final vacancy list was published in November 2025. Stop. The instant writ petition has been filed on 3rd February 2026. Stop. The petitioner, after being unsuccessful to make it within the select list, has chosen to file the instant writ petition challenging the act of the Commission in publishing the vacancy list with reduced number of vacancy in the said category. Stop. Paragraph. The stand of the petitioner cannot be accepted. Stop. Had the petitioner been genuinely aggrieved with the decrease of vacancy, comma, he ought to have rushed to the court immediately on publication of the final vacancy list. Stop. The petitioner waited for the publication of the waiting list, of the select list. And when he found that he failed to qualify in the waiting list and he has been put in the wait list, comma, the instant writ petition has been filed. Stop. The court is not inclined to interfere in the instant writ petition. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
Well, only one thing, my lord. Kindly record that I have placed that I am under the roster. I am entitled to get 7% of OBC bill.
It has been submitted that as the petitioner is
OBC
an OBC category candidate, comma, the reservation ought to be 7% of the total vacancy. Stop. By publication of the final vacancy list, comma, the 7% reservation has not been followed.
Obliged. This is my affidavit of service, madam.
Yes, please.
Your Ladyship, I am appearing for the petitioner. I am praying for accommodation. Kindly make it not this week.
Why?
Because the conducting counsel is out of the station for some medical reasons.
For the matter, the interview process and the recruitment process is going on. And somebody should have been here.
He's out of the station, Your Lordship. I could not help it. And I'm not into this brief, so.
In that case, I'll post it in March. Accommodation has been sought for. On behalf of the learned advocate representing the petitioner, stop list on 2nd March.
Must be March.
Yes, next.
Sister, I am for the petition. So the petitioner before your lordship, my lord, appeared in the selection test for 11-12, my lord. My lord, under the category of PH, hearing impairment, my lord. My lord, due to the petitioner's, my lord, physical ailments, my lord, she could not correct the category. My lord, at the time of, my lord, applications, my lord, if your lordship kindly explain the applications form, my lord, I have paid the fees of rupees 200 in terms of the notification for SC, ST and PH, my lord. My lord, accordingly, my lord, the admit card was issued and petitioner appeared in the selection test. And thereafter, my lord, at the time of verification, my lord, when the intimation of the verification was published, the petitioner found the petitioner name has been featured as OBC A category. Admittedly, petitioner is a OBC A category, but my lord, petitioner under PH hearing impaired. My lord,
Did she file the application by disclosing that she is PH?
no, my lord, at the time of verification, my lord, when the verification list was published, first time it came to the knowledge of the petitioner that petitioner name has been featured as OBC A.
No, but
All-
did she
My lord, what-
apply?
No, there is no question of application, my lord. At that point of time, my lord, the website has been closed, my lord. My lord, only, my lord, 16/12/2025, it was opened.
No,
Yes, my
It
lord. In
was,
terms of the, my lord, High Court's order,
it
my lord.
was opened on various
No,
occasions.
thereafter,
At
it was
least
not.
3,
Well,
not
that's why-
thereafter.
my lord, that's why, my lord, at the stage of verification, she was allowed to participate, my lord. And at the time of verification, she has supplied all the documents. But when the final list was published, again, she was placed in the, my lord, OBC A category, my lord. And if the petitioner has been considered PH, my lord, he will come under the zone of consideration for selections, my lord. Only she,
Show me your initial application form.
my lord, kindly,
28.
my lord, page, my lord. Yes. Yes, my lord. Page 20.
It does not show PH.
My lord, in this category, my lord, there is, my lord, kindly comes to the application fees. My lord, there is no subcategory in respect of these categories, my lord. My lord, that is also for, that's why, my lord, the commission has initiated a proceedings to, my lord, rectify the mistakes, my lord. My lord, due to my physical ailments, my lord, I have annexed all the documents as regards to my medical certificates. I was advanced stage of pregnancy.
No,
My lord,
no,
that's why I could not follow. And although, my lord, there was no specific notification was published in the my lord, daily newspaper or anything else, my lord. Only it was uploaded in the old website, my lord, for correction.
Old website
My
means?
lord, earlier website of SSC, my lord.
And there is a new website.
Yes, my lord. New-
And it was not uploaded over there.
No. Well, that point I have taken in my writ petition also. And in the newspaper, my lord, it was not published, my lord. They cannot show any, my lord, newspaper publication as regards to the rectifications, my lord. And, my lord, I have paid the 200 fees, my lord. That is also there in the application. And at the verification also, my lord. My lord, I have annexed page 30. This is my application fees. And at the time of verifications, my lord, they have allowed to, my lord, submit all the documents as regards to the, my lord, PH. I am a genuine candidate, my lord. If my case has been
Where are
considered,
these
my lord, I will get,
notices?
my lord, selected, my lord.
Permitting editing, 3 notices.
My lord, so far the, my lord, nutrition PG, my lord, hearing handicap, 3 vacancies are there. Only 2 has been, my lord, selected. If I, my lord, I may be considered, my lord, I will be under the zone of consideration. So far the my marks is concerned, my lord.
The petitioner participated in second SLST,
One
comma
thing has to be told
2025.
to you, Lord. He has participated in the verification and called for interview as OBC A. Up to that stage, his client, you know, has participated. And on finding that he is not figuring in the ultimate thing, OBC A, now he has come by taking a chance, you know, that
PH.
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 My lord,
Kindly visualize. OBC A, he has parted knowingly, not reluctantly. And I have the relevant papers, Milord. Please see page 37.
yes, I have annexed all these things.
Nutrition, PG, medium of instruction, category is OBC A. Reporting time, 29/12.
Page 40.
He participates there.
Yes.
Then, Milord, she somehow realizes that she might not be able to make it somewhere. And insofar as the old website, new website is concerned, Milord, we have documents in the, you did not see it, Milord. I can show the printout it is trying. West Bengal School Service Commission, this is the window. Here it is there, that in order to put anything, old website has to be visited and there is a also
Click
the
button.
link there. So it is not something, my lord,
And-
it is, everything is informed. My lord, no one, my lord, one thing, my lord, rightly, wrongly. My lord, and he has edited.
Right, I do not need this.
And therefore, my lord, one thing very clearly, my lord, with greatest of respect to your lordship is taking care of the entire situation by hearing these matters, my lord. In case of any problem, we will rectify it. But, my lord, kindly be rest assured, my lord, everything is being done in the best possible manner, to the best of our ability.
Now only Milord counseling has been started on and from today, Milord.
The petitioner participated in second SLST bolam to in the OBC A category stuff. She submits that she is a physically handicapped candidate with benchmark disabilities. Stop. Due to inadvertence, her disability was not disclosed in the application form. Stop. She realized the mistake only at the time of credential verification. When she has been treated as a general category candidate instead of a reserved one. Stop. Prayer has been made. Now, the petitioner relies on the judgment dated 16th December 2025, passed by the Honorable Division Bench of this court in Mat 2115 of 2025, page 42. West Bengal Central School Service Commission and others versus Somnath Pramanik and others, wherein the court
The last paragraph, page 2.
directed the
Paragraph
commission to open the portal for updating the categorization of the candidates. Stop. It has been submitted that the commission acted in terms of the said order and but published the notification for updating categorization only in the old website and not in the new one. Stop. Next.
And not even in the newspaper also.
There was no publication in the newspaper for which the petitioner was unable to update her category. Stop.
Milord, one thing, so far the Milord division bench judgment, paragraph 20, Milord, if your losses kindly takes pen, Milord, the last 3 lines, Milord. Paragraph 20, last 3 lines. Authorities are at liberty to deal with such of the candidates who are not governed by this order in accordance with law. Therefore, Milord, if your lordship kindly send the matter before the authority for consideration, Milord, they are at liberty, Milord.
All right. Cover. Right. It has been submitted that there is one post still vacant in the physically handicapped category for the subject
Nutrition.
nutrition PG in classes 11-12 level. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the commission to consider the candidature of the petitioner in the reserved category meant for physically handicapped candidates. Paragraph. The submission of the petitioner, submission and prayer of the petitioner is opposed by the commission. Stop. It has been submitted that the intimation letter for oral interview and lecture demonstration issued in favor of the petitioner clearly recorded the category as OBC A. Prior to appearing in the interview, the petitioner did not raise the issue of change of category. Stop. It is only after the petitioner was unsuccessful to be listed in the list of select candidates, the instant writ petition has been filed seeking benefit of reservation under the physically handicapped category. Stop paragraph. It appears that the commission. Any problem?
গরম লাগছে
We are requesting to switch on the fan.
Switch on the fan. Is the AC working? AC চলছে?
ওয়ান এসি ইজ রানিং একটা চলছে একটা
আর একটা এসি চালিয়ে দিন। আচ্ছা। That the commission issued at least 3 notices. Give me the dates where opportunities were granted to the candidates.
July,
That's I mentioned in my petition.
5th August,
একটু লিখে নিন তো।
22nd September.
30 জুলাই, 5th of August and
2nd September.
September to change the categories of the candidates. Stop. The petitioner failed to do so. Stop. The commission opened its portal for updating the categorization of the candidates. On 17th December 2025, even then, the petitioner failed to change the category. Stop. The instant writ petition has been filed only on 5th of February 2026, praying for a direction upon the
ওটা তো ডিভিশন বেঞ্চ অর্ডার
commission to treat her as a physically handicapped category candidate. Stop. Such prayer of the petitioner cannot be accepted. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Service is taken on record. Next.
one line kindly add, my lord. My petitioner approached before the commission personally, my lord. Since the website has been closed, my lord, I have stated in paragraph 10 specifically. I really approached before the commission's office, my lord.
Doesn't matter. Call the next one.
My lord, kindly, my lord.
My lord, 68 I am for the petitioner. My lord, here, my lord, the case is petitioner participated in 11-12, my lord. Participated in 11-12, my lord. The contention of the petitioner is, my lord, in subject education they participated. My lord, those who have been awarded marks, part teaching experience marks for subject for 11-12, they previously worked in classes 9-10. And in 9-10, there is no education subject, my lord. So, my lord, they are not entitled to this prior teaching experience for 11-12. This is the issue, my lord.
Whether marks education, there is no education subject in 9 and 10. And you want marks?
No, my lord, my lord, I participated. They also participated.
So you challenge their candidature.
I am if their candidature is cancelled, my lord, I will come within the zone.
I understand. But in the experience column, there was nothing mentioned that you have to teach that subject only.
Yes, my lord. No, at the same time, my lord, it is not mentioned that different subjects will also be. My lord, the rule is you will get prior teaching experience.
Whichever subject you teach.
That is not written, my lord. Prior teaching experience.
That is not barred also.
My lord, that is to be, my lord, decided by your lordship. The rule, what is the rule says? Prior teaching experience in a secondary or higher secondary school. If, my lord, from that analogy, in upper primary schools, my lord, there are several schools, my lord, which are from 5 to 10. Those are secondary schools. But for class teacher of class 6 to 8, my lord, is not getting that marks. He is being in a secondary school. The upper primary level is not mentioned, but they are not awarding marks to para teachers as well as upper primary teachers. So if they are not awarding marks to para teachers and upper primary, then why, my lord, a 9-10 teacher teaching a different subject will get a prior teaching experience for education? If the, my lord, the intention is we will get a better teacher to who have a experience of teaching that subject, then, my lord, that particular subject he or she has to teach.
All right. Yes.
The same issue had fell for consideration, my lord, in WPA 25015 of 2025.
He dismissed করেছে।
Same issue.
Ashish Chaudhary's Mamlata.
Yeah.
That was on a different ground, my lord. This was not on merit, my lord. Your lordship kindly sees this out.
You know, the writ. Well, where the writ petitioners participated in this, they submitted that the commission ought to act strictly in accordance with the rules. The commission ought not to award marks, paragraph 3, for prior teaching experience to the candidates who participate for recruitment at 11-12 level if they taught 9-10 and who do not have experience in 9-10 and who do not have experience in 11-12 level. The petitioners contend that only teachers dedicatedly, okay, a copy later, dedicatedly appointed to teach in classes 11 and 12 may be considered for providing marks on account of prior teaching experience at the 11-12 classes without actually taking classes in 9-11-12 level. Marks on account of prior teaching experience ought not to be awarded. The petitioners submit the recruitment rules specifically lay down different criteria for appointment in classes such and such. The posts for classes 9, 10, 11, 12 are different. The scale of pay are separate. Same experience cannot be counted twice for providing marks. The petitioners have inter alia prayed for issuance of a writ of mandamus directing the authorities and particular to publish notification by mentioning subject benefits which should be given to candidates who
This
intend
is only regarding the 11, 12, 9, 10 level. Here the subject is education, which is not there in 9 and 10.
here also it is education.
No,
And my lord, if your lordship kindly sees paragraph
here
18,
the education is not the
The,
subject.
the issue was, my lord, that subjects, my lord, what exactly is falling from your lordship. Apart from that, they are unsuccessful candidates.
I take it because they say they are
They are
unsuccessful.
unsuccessful, my lord, after everything is done, my lord, they cannot, my lord, seek to undo it. My lord, I am relying on
my lord, there are
26.
No. Oh, tell me one thing. Somebody who has not taught education, applying for education.
Not taught education, applying for education, yes.
So 9, 10, the candidate had taught some other subject, not education. Right now, applying for education, which is there in the 11, 12 standard. Can the prior teaching experience be given to that candidate?
No, in terms of your lordship's.
No, this is only 11, 12 in general.
Yes.
In general, you teach mathematics. It is there in 9, 10, it is there in 11, 12. You teach a language, 9, 10, 11, 12. But this is a particular subject that is education, which is not there in 9, 10 level. What type of experience will that candidate have in 11 and 12?
Well, secondary level experience.
In education.
It is not specifically written, my lord, experience is what is counted.
Experience in teaching the particular subject.
In the secondary level.
In the
He has to
secondary.
indicate that.
Where to indicate?
In the relevant column,
You do not have those columns. You have your own drop boxes.
not drop off. I mean, in the application form, you know, if he indicates the experience, he indicates the experience that I am teaching their education up to class 9, 10. And school.
The petitioners do not have this experience. Petitioner is challenging your action in counting the experience for those candidates who do not have experience of
At the instance
teaching.
of unsuccessful candidates, would your lordship permit that chat? I put this
to
question.
that I am an answer.
Unsuccessful because the candidates who do not have that experience have been made successful by you. If they go out, these candidates would get a chance.
You know, then your lordship would have to, you know, there are 11 petitioners perhaps in this petition. Then, my lord, we'll have to examine, my lord, who scored what and you know,
That
how
is
far.
different.
You know, if
Don't
10
go
marks,
that way.
minus 10 marks.
Don't go
plus
that way. Go it on principle. What is your principle? This is not a petitioner specific matter. If any order is passed in
kindly
this
comes to the
matter,
relevant column for experience, you know, kindly takes the rules once. Page 56 is the rules.
66.
The relevant part is at page 66.
yes, please.
না এখন গরম লাগছে না চুপ চুপ করে এত গরম নেই please see after academics prior teaching experience, my lord, column B, schedule 2. at the secondary level in a government or government aided or government sponsored school, calculated on the basis of 2 marks for each. At the secondary level.
So you taught education in the secondary level, you get the experience marks.
Yes.
You taught physics in the secondary level, will you get experience marks if you compete for education subject? This is the issue.
There is no, but first of all, if I have taught physics in secondary level, I cannot apply for education.
Yes,
Maybe.
because my education subject is such a subject.
Yes, it
Anybody
may be
can
there.
do MA in education with B.Ed. He is eligible to he or she is eligible.
The
He or she is eligible
permutation,
for MSc teaching.
No,
the
for
permutation and combination of these subjects may be different. Please come.
না সে যদি এডুকেশনে এমএ থাকে পারবে।
The petitioners participated in the recruitment process
আমি জানি না কি করতে হবে।
of second SLST 2025 in the subject education for classes 11-12. Stop. They have been found to be unsuccessful in the unsuccessful after the interview level, possibly. After interview or prior to?
No, after
They have not got a chance.
Prior to interview.
Prior to verification, they have been ousted.
ঠিক আছে।
because these persons were called.
কি বললাম?
And you come in 2026 February.
They failed to secure secure a position in the interview list.
কি বলছে?
They challenge the act of the commission in accepting the experience of candidates in the 9-10 level for appearing in the 11-12 classes. Stop.
Only one second. There are no particulars of who has been awarded. We don't know. This is a, if I may say so with greatest of respect, a fishing inquiry, a roving inquiry is being sought to be.
Do not go to that inquiry. I am not telling you to conduct any inquiry upon any candidate. I want to know the basis as to how you are.
Then calling for affidavit.
Yes.
Not disturbing.
No, I'm not disturbing the list. I'm calling for affidavits. You show the
We'll answer.
basis
We'll answer.
as to how, because they have been ousted at the initial level. So what interim order?
Shown that their instance is perhaps not maintainable, as has been laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court even very recently.
Very well. You just tell me the basis. I'll dismiss the writ
The
petition.
issue is, then your lordship, since your lordship is calling for an affidavit, kindly also this rule or employing this particular rule could have got an appointment in a school by dint of these marks and everything. Near Calcutta, he is getting a school a little away. That may be a possible challenge.
Not at all. How does this challenge come? The example that you mentioned, how will that fit in over here?
Yes, because the marks is an issue.
That means
Marks
there is an
issue.
acceptance that the marks can be awarded.
That is the rule. With
I
respect,
want to know the basis.
basis of the rule, rule I have not prepared. Rule is for the state. Who is appearing for the state?
Whoever is there,
Implementing the rules, my lord.
whoever is
Because I am
there,
implementing them. I am supposed
Yes.
to implement. If I do not implement, you will come to court.
you tell me the basis. Just only this much.
I think the state's presence is necessary. He is appearing for the state. Let the state say.
কি বললাম?
There's no challenge to the rules also.
Not required, my lord. I have not challenged the rule. Why will I challenge?
mm, acha. As per the recruitment rules, comma, there is provision for awarding marks on account of prior teaching experience. Stop. The schedule to the rules. Madam, will you please be a bit low because it's disturbing my process of thinking. Mentions rules for prior teaching experience mentions that at the secondary level in a government or government aided or government sponsored school, comma, calculated on the basis of 2 marks for each year of service in a substantive post within bracket as permanent or on contractual basis. Yeah, just stop. The petitioners contend that in the secondary level, the subject of education is not taught. Are you sure it is not taught anywhere?
9-10 subject education is not there up to classes 9. 6 to 8 is work education. Education is
Work
only for
education is
11.
different.
11, 12 only education.
And 9-10 there is no education subject. Acha. Key content that there is no not taught. A candidate who did not teach education in the secondary level ought not to be awarded marks on account of experience. Stop. Experience, not stop, in the 11-12 level. Stop. The experience in teaching any other subject, but, comma, the but not education, comma, ought not to be considered for awarding marks on account of prior teaching experience. ঠিক আছে? According to the commission, comma, marks on account of prior teaching experience is being awarded to the candidates, is being awarded only for selecting the best experienced teachers. Stop. The respondents are directed to file affidavit disclosing the basis as to how experience in teaching some other subject can be considered to be experience in teaching the subject education. Stop. A candidate who did not teach education in the secondary level. কি আছে? Cannot seek for marks on account of prior teaching experience in the subject education at the higher secondary level. ঠিক আছে? Let affidavit and opposition be prepared and circulated within a period of 4 weeks. Reply, if any, within a fortnight thereafter. Stop. The issue of maintainability of the writ petition as raised by the respondents is left open to be decided.
Would it be your lordship's pleasure to take the judgment on?
To naturally appear after the completion of the periods.
Matter is in cold storage.
না
It's
না
gone down.
নো এই কোর্টে ম্যাটার আসছে অন ডে
এরকম ডেট ফিক্স
Yes.
না না
সপ্তাহ 69 কি নাও ফাইন
Tented candidates. Now, only slip to the web.
69.
So the person with disabilities, my lord, he appear in the first SLST under the, my lord, reserved category of handicap, person with handicap. But my lord, when the recommendation was issued, my lord, he was given the recommendation under general category,
In the first SLST.
the first SLST. My lord, he joined with objection, but my lord, the letter was never received by the commission. He submitted in the drop box. The 23, my lord, tainted list, his name appears.
Name appears. Yes.
But I am only on the interpretation of 48 and 49 paragraphs of Boishali Bhattacharya. My lord, kindly revisit once, my lord, that whether, my lord, the disabled candidates can be, my lord, or my lord, had been put under a distinct category. And the disabled candidates have been, all the disabled candidates have been allowed to appear in the second SLST. My lord, I appeared in
Similar
the
issue
second
has been
SLST.
decided. Please give me the judgment. এটা লাগবে না।
paragraph 19 20
Please come. The petitioners, how many? One
One.
petitioner participated in the second SLST. Did you
I
participate
participated, my lord, in the verification. I was
in the second SLST 2025, but got disqualified at the stage of credential verification as the name of the petitioner features in the list of tainted candidates as published by the commission. Stop. The learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the petitioner ought to be treated as a disabled candidate in accordance with the judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 3rd April 2025 in the matter of Boishaki Bhattacharya Chatterjee. ঠিক আছে? It has been submitted that despite the name of the petitioner incorporated in the list of tainted candidates, he ought to be given a chance to compete the present recruitment process by treating him as a disabled candidate. Stop paragraph. It appears that the issue as to whether a disabled candidate can be considered for fresh recruitment despite his name remaining in the tainted list fell for consideration before the court earlier. Stop. Vide, order dated 19th November 2025, passed in WPA 26288 of 2025 with such and such, Moushumi Mondal and another. The court was of the opinion that the candidates whose name appear in the tainted list, irrespective of their disability, cannot be permitted to participate in the selection test. Stop paragraph. As the issue appears to have been decided by the court, there is no question of revisiting the same all over again. Stop. There is hardly any scope to provide any chance to the tainted candidates to participate in the selection process. Stop. In view of the above, the writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Next.
My lord, the affidavit of service.
Yes.
Take to me.
Lord, I appear for the
Lord, I am appearing on behalf of
Huh?
state.
Deep Nisha, But and I have put in the deficit court fees, my lord.
Yes.
My petitioner is participated in the second SLST for the post of assistant teacher in 9-10, my lord. Petitioner is aggrieved by wrong answer key in respect of one question, my lord. Question number 6 in question booklet series A, which is
But 7.
all 7. All the answer given by the
We have not been able to prepare ourselves or work it out. And in fact, up to 88, it will be very difficult to assist
But-
your lordship.
আচ্ছা যেটা বলছে কিছু করার নেই।
Not all the matters, all the matters have been listed today.
Yes. It has been kept in a bunch so that it's convenient for y'all. Otherwise, I'll keep it in staggered basis.
Kindly pardon. sir.
Item 1 here, item 2 in
30
court room
in the
number
night,
155.
we saw it with the list. The matters which have been listed today, most of these matters have been filed last week or
No, no, no.
most of them. I'm not
Acha.
saying all of them. And it has become extremely difficult to get ourselves prepared also.
Item number 1 before this bench and item number 2 will be before courtroom number 551. Keep running. It will be good for your weight.
Correct? I told Justice Rai, why don't you come? This building, there are empty courtrooms.
17
When?
টাকা যায়।
Not today. Next week.
আরে বলো।
Application.
Next week.
Next week.
Acha, to allow the learned advocate for the commission to revert with instruction released on 25th.
Get
Acha, deficit court fees, receipt and the affidavit of service taken on record.
get
Okay.
71. I am appearing on behalf of state. 71.
oh
My lord, 71 preliminary answer key showing as D, final answer key showing B and C. My lord, I have challenged. My lord, report usual.
And you answered B.
I answer preliminary answer key D.
Oh, you answered the preliminary one.
Environmental science is the subject matter.
Whatever. Let them file a
Yes,
report.
madam.
Same order was passed in which matter? 60 possibly. 60.
60
and 61 একটু দেখে নেবেন তো answer key. Next.
Well, there is 3 petitioners.
Three petitioners, deficit court fees.
My lord, I will pay in
Course
course of this day.
This day,
Course of this day.
it's 3:15.
Yes, my lord,
Deficit-
it is available even in the night, my lord, it is possible.
All right.
কবে থাকবে এটা? কবে থাকবে?
ও অনলাইন করা যাবে তো? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে তাহলে ডেফিসিট কোড ফিস এর ডিরেকশনটা দিয়ে দিন।
Malon matter to appear.
Please check up item 60 and 61. I cannot recollect offhand when it has been directed to appear. 23rd of March possibly if I am not wrong.
আচ্ছা এই একাত্তরের এফিডেভিট
Take it. 23 March. Next 72.
My lord, 72, my lord, I am for the petitioner. Here, my lord, I have received the, my lord, carbon copy of the Weimar. My calculation shows, my lord, comparing with the answer key, I have secured 54.
Yes.
They have given me 51.
All right. They'll
Possibly
produce.
because 28, my lord, possibly I must be very candid. The reason might be, my lord, I do not know. That
Show me the OMR.
Weimar, my lord. 42, my lord. There might be some from the carbon copy, it is shows that there are some slight double marking, but maybe, my lord, in the
Right. 32 I can see it is absolutely double marked. Question number
32, my lord.
32, 35.
42.
My lord, how far this, my lord, how far this double marking, since they are carbon, my lord, how far this double marking has come? Because I have been instructed, my lord, in the original, I have used, my lord, the sharpener and erased it. So how far in the original it is there? If it is there, my lord, it is there. I cannot improve, my lord.
This is question number 11. 11. Question number 32,
32.
35, 20,
My lord,
20.
32, my lord.
C.
My lord, 32 is not double marking. It's just 11.
32.
See, it is being done by a computer. It's done by a machine. There is no application of mind. Who is going to say whether it is just, whether it is not? Please come. The petitioner participated in second SLST 2025. Stop. He has annexed the carbon copy of the OMR in support of the submission that he ought to have been awarded more marks than actually awarded by the commission. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the commission to, what is your prayer? To award 3 marks to the petitioner. 3 more marks.
And recheck, my lord.
To re-evaluate and award 3 more marks. Yes. The learned advocate representing the commission has relied upon the original OMR, wherefrom it appears that there are double markings / shading in respect of more than in respect of nearly 3 questions. Stop. Paragraph. Shading. I had passed an order
Yes.
in shading.
101, 102. WPA 104, 106.
He's memorized all the
He's
numbers.
unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Absolutely, my lord.
The entire night. He has texted me in the morning.
Memorizing fact
He
is one thing.
He
Memorizing
texted me
case
in the
number.
morning that 36 matters are in the list and I don't get prepared. It is impossible.
Lord, he is absolutely unbelievable. I must say.
Acha. Yes. WPA এটা কত নম্বর কৈলেশ 104 রিজনিংটা তুলে নেবেন তো WPA 104 2026 11th of February 2026 দেখি প্যারাগ্রাফ নাম্বারগুলো ওয়েট 4 প্যারাগ্রাফ 4 দেন চলুন 5 6 7 8 রিজনিংটা তুলে নেবেন শুধু ডিসমিসড নেক্সট
But service upon the school service commissioner is not complete, your lordship. If your lordship kindly keep the school service commission.
We are
Copy nahi hai. Acha.
we did one. Show my
My lord. I served upon the state.
হোয়াট ইজ ইওর গ্রিভান্স
My lord. Grant of 10 marks for past experience, your lordship.
ইউ ওয়ান্ট 10 marks
10 marks.
why are they not giving
My lord, since they have in the advertisement there was recognized and aided school,
where are you teaching
my lord, in a private finance school, St. Lawrence High School. Same is affiliated by the West Bengal Council of West Bengal Higher Secondary Council,
where St. Lawrence in Calcutta
my lord, Baliganj. It is
fine.
you are leaving St. Lawrence for this school
My-
huh
it is affiliated by the West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education.
you are in a better school
My lord, he is wanting you.
what why do you want to shift from St. Lawrence to any other school
Since it is a government aided school, your lords.
how do you benefit how do you benefit you get more money in these schools government aided
My lord, in government aided school, he will get the
Get what?
service benefits, pensionary benefits, etc.
So money, it's only money. You are a teacher, you will teach students. Only looking after money.
He is
This issue is pending, isn't it?
No, similar matter has been dismissed by your lordship.
But then other matters possibly are pending
is
also.
66.
There are some other which is pending.
Those
Mr.
which are-
Singh.
Those which have been filed earlier.
Huh,
This is not
fresh one.
fresh.
All right. Very well. I'll dismiss you, but anything passed in the other matter, if you get the benefit.
Case 66 is
No, the writ
His application-
petition on 4th of February 2026 and a similar matter which has been dismissed is 26851. state aided college teachers. The reasoning is paragraph 7.
In a private school.
Private finance school, your lordship. Page 66 is
The presentation form was filled up in such a lot of hurry that the name of the petitioner is not there. What can be done? Who has filed the writ petition? Ghost? Hmm?
not kindly grant liberty to. I don't know people. NDA.
Pradeep. মানে others আছে এটাতে others ছাড়া single check up plural আর singular. Yes, dismissed.
Yeah. 74 million kindly takes it upon another. First of all,
Next Wednesday.
we'll have to get us.
Wrong question of Malad Urdu subject Malad. 5 questions are Malad challenge.
5 questions. And how many marks short?
Malad the 27 number in petitioner petitioners are Malad 27 petitioners are.
Why in one writ petition?
Malad the all are the same footing candidate 9
Same footing money? What does this mean? Same footing.
Malad the all the petitioners Malad participate in a selection process and Malad they have answered preliminary questions preliminary answer key.
Is the answer that you are challenging same? Only 3 question by all.
My lord, kindly come to page number, my lord, 22, my lord. There is a tabular chart, my lord, I have mentioned, my lord. My lord, the provisional answers were...
What is this language? I do not know this language.
22.
21, 20, 19.
My lord, it is written in the English also, my lord.
17, 16. Why have you gone all this?
My lord, kindly come to my lord, page number 22. My lord, I made a tabular chart for the convenience of the, my lord, the... Oh, sure. My lord, the preliminary provisional answer key was also, my lord, same as the Weimar answer of the petitioners, my lord.
Mm. 27 candidates, and there are at least 6 or 7 different questions which you've challenged.
No, my lord, the questions are, my lord, the same, my lord. My lord, then, my lord, kindly come to, my lord, the previous tabular chart, my lord, I have mentioned, my lord, different, kindly, my lord, page number 14, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, series question number 1 is in the series series B, question number 20. My lord, questions are the, my lord, same, but the series question number in the
Yes.
series is different.
How many questions?
5, my lord, the 5 questions.
Which are the question numbers?
My lord, the tabular chart mentioned in page number 14, my lord.
Yes.
In A series, my lord, 1, 45, 25, 37, and 11. These 5s.
This 5 is question
same.
number 20 in series B.
Yes.
These
My lord,
are the 5 questions challenged.
Yes, my lord.
By all.
By all the petitioners, my lord. And my lord, the petitioners, my lord, then my lord, come to, my lord, page number 22.
Yes.
Petitioner number 1, my lord, did not get in question number 7 and 20. 2 questions. Petitioner number 1 did not get the marks, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, petitioner number 2, my lord, the 3 questions. My lord, question number 18, 38, and 45, my lord. And my
How
lord,
many
kindly
marks short is petitioner number 1 from the
petitioner
cutoff?
number is short for 2 marks. And my lord, petitioner number 2 called for verification, but my lord, the petitioner did not get the marks, so that, my lord, if she get the marks, my lord, she can, my lord,
Get a better position. And then
my lord, I have mentioned, my lord, all the petitioners, my lord, the question number, booklet series, which they answer, my lord, and thereafter what are the provisional answer key, and thereafter, my lord, final answer key.
What I don't find in the entire expedition is the objection.
My lord, objections is there, my lord.
Or final.
Page number 153, 52, my lord. My lord, what happened, my lord, in page number 22? That's why, my lord, I made a tabular chart. My lord, kindly see, my lord, petitioner number 1, Weimar answer is AD. And my lord, provisional answer key is also AD. There is no scope to challenge the preliminary answer key.
where there is a difference in the preliminary answer key,
That
did
was
you
challenged.
object?
Yes, my lord. Kindly come to, my lord, page number 152, my lord.
Let's say
Out of 27.
check up.
This cannot be done.
Yes.
Out of 27 petitioners, what I find, I initially said that this,
Objections were not there.
that is on looking at the index. It appears only 2 objections.
Yes, my lord.
on the-
In respect of petitioner number 21
No, the answers
and
were
12.
changed at the final key level.
Yes.
Not for all.
This is what
Only 2, my lord. Petitioner number 21 and 12. That is a different. That's why answer key was challenged. My lord, kindly, my lord, peruse the petition number 12, my lord, in the tabular chart.
Please, kindly ask her to please file separate petitions.
My lord, it is, my lord, very difficult.
Why?
My
Why
lord,
is it
petitioners,
difficult?
my lord, petitioners, my lord, are, my lord,
If the petitioner gets any benefit, then an individual candidate will get a benefit.
my lord, the petitioners all are in the, my lord, same footing, my lord. And my lord, kindly peruse, my lord, petitioner number 12, only 45, question number 45 is different with the preliminary answer key, and that's why the preliminary answer key was challenged. My lord, otherwise, my lord, all the is same, my lord. Whatever the difference,
Your lordship reads it, I leave it to the court. If your lordship permits this petition, in the absence of corresponding documents, I leave it to you.
The respondent commission has published erroneous answer key in response to several questions. Where is the averment or the document to show that after publication of the preliminary answer key, you raised objection?
Not represent.
27 petitioners.
Yes, your lordship. My lord, kindly, my lord, come to my lord para 9, my lord. After and para 8 also, my lord.
After scrutinizing the question paper, final answer key and the OMR sheet, your petitioners found that the petitioners are answered wrongly in respect of some questions.
Para
This
8 also,
is
my lord.
in the final answer key stage.
Yes, my lord. Para
And in the
8.
preliminary answer key, did you raise objection?
Yes.
Everybody?
No, my lord. Only respect of 2 because, my lord, in preliminary.
Only 2 candidates had different answers.
Different
in the
answers.
For the remaining, will only two candidates.
No, my lord.
No, remaining after final publication of the answer key, the answer got
Answer
changed. They didn't have scope to file the objection. Check up. I'm not dismissing it or allowing it. Items
Come within
50.
4 weeks with a report. This
60.
cannot be done in 1 week.
60 and 61 এতে বোধহয় একটা অর্ডার হয়েছে অ্যাসেসমেন্টের জন্য 23rd March it is fixed. ঠিক আছে দেখে নেবেন একটুখানি
কবে কবে রাখছি কি করলো কবে রাখছি
yes next
My lord, 75, my lord.
মানে affidavit of service may I file?
yes service is taken on record আগেরটার
74, হ্যাঁ?
yes
My lord, here, this is the second round of litigation, my lord. Initially, I filed this writ petition. Your lordship's order is at, my lord, page 34. Paragraph 14, my lord, would be the relevant one.
yes
My lord, my case was that preliminary answer key, I gave the right answer. But in the final answer key, it was changed. Preliminary answer was D. Final answer was B and C. Your lordship directed that why D is also not correct. My lord, thereafter, they filed a report, my lord, next page 38. If your lordship kindly sees, my lord, the last paragraph I am reading, my lord. Page 38. In compliance to the above solemn order dated 4/12/25, the commission requested the review committee experts vice dated such and such to revisit the issue. The members met on so and the commission reviewed the report via email dated so from one of the experts regarding their opinion on the option B and C of question number 4 of the master series. The printouts of so. It is found that in their email report, the expert has explained why they chose to identify option B and C as correct option. They peruse the relevant reference materials, including those cited by the petitioners, but opine that their original chosen answer, option B and option C, remain the option that are closest to the correct answer. My lord, firstly, it has not been decided. Nobody is disputing that B and C are wrong. They are saying this is closest to the correct answer, not the
listen
correct.
at this stage I don't think the court can interfere. At the initial stage the court failed to interfere, in fact did not tend to interfere and left it to the experts. Now the expert is saying that this is what can the court do?
Lord, now I say, my lord, what was the order of the court? My lord, the order of the court was to see whether the answer given by the assistant professor, who is also an expert of the commission D, whether that is also an correct answer. That was the order of the court, my lord. And what the, my lord, commission in the recent order, it has been stated that B and C, what they have given is closest to the correct answer. But what about my option? I have not said that B and C is incorrect. I have said B and C, you are getting B and C is closest. I say D is more closer or D is the correct. Because when in a question, if there is no particular answer, they are choosing closest answer. There cannot be two closest answer. There can be one closest answer. If there is two closest answer, there can be three closest answer also. Well, this is a matter of right to life. A commission, the expert cannot be so casual like this, my lord. And how have they considered my materials, my lord? My materials are having TB number and ISBN number. How have they considered those materials? And what are the documents the expert has relied on? Kanpur University judgment. My lord, kindly see the question. My lord, question is at page 8, paragraph 13. Nature of the question, my lord, there cannot be two answers, my lord. Nature of the question is such. Page 8, paragraph 13. There has to be some ration.
Very air pollutant.
Yes, my lord.
Only one question.
Yes, only one question.
And you are 1 mark short.
Yes.
No, not all of them.
No, there are 3%, 1 mark short, my lord. If I get this 1 mark, my lord, I am
What are the petitioner?
5 petitioners. No, 5 petitioners.
Who is the sixth one in your brief?
The initial it was.
Initial matter, there were 6 petitioners.
So one has gone out, now 5 has remained.
Yes.
There are only out of 4 petitioners, submitted 1.
Out of this 5, 4.
Submission is 1 mark is the difference. Out of 5 petitioners, what appears from the records appended to the petition, the difference is more than 1 mark.
More than 1 marks.
4 cases.
In 4.
Page number, 188 onwards kindly see. 184 onwards kindly see. In respect of 185, the difference is 1 mark. In respect of
1 minute. 184,
marks.
2 marks. 65, 67.
185 is 1 mark.
This is Mampi Day. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 marks.
185, my lord, 1 mark short.
Yes.
So it only in respect of one candidate,
Only in
it is.
My lord, I tell your lordship, there is a matter pending, my lord. No.
Yes.
That there has to be a second phase of verification. My lord, if such candidates, why will I not get my marks increase? If I am not saying that you appoint me.
No, that is all right.
My lord, one candidate, 1 mark short. Other candidates, my lord, they may be 3 marks, 4 marks short.
Yes.
My lord, if I suppose, my lord, I succeed in this petition and I get 1 mark, the commission calls for a second phase of verification because number of candidates have been rejected. The ratio is not maintained.
Listen,
I may get a chance.
If, assuming this question is later on found to be correct, the answer,
Yes.
right? So it will cover everybody. Whether it is in respect of one candidate or in respect
lord,
of others, it hardly matters.
Then also, my lord, it has to be the choice of the commission whether, suppose, my lord, one petitioner files this writ petition
Yes.
and your lordship pass an order in my favor. In
Right.
respect of, now, my lord, whether commission will give that effect in rem or personam, that is a different, because in other matters against the commission, in other selection processes, the experience is whoever files the writ petition gets the marks, my lord, as well in commission as well as in primary. My lord.
Despite the commission coming to a conclusion that question A, B or C is correct, and
Yes, my lord.
somebody who's given right answer will not be given marks.
Because why I am telling your lordship, my lord, let us say, my lord, D is the correct answer, preliminary answer. Then, my lord, B on C cannot be correct. Let us take a case. Then persons have already been awarded marks who have answered B and C. Because of all this, my lord, in previous selection processes, in 16, in 12th RLST, the court has directed you award marks. Commission has only awarded marks to those candidates who have approached the court and has got not in rem, my lord, not in rem. Let them say that if this question arises, they will give in rem. My lord, let this be proceeded against one petitioner. I have no problem. Let them say that. If it is ultimately one succeed, it will be in rem.
I will not say anything apart from whatever is on record. He made a submission to your lordship without 1 mark. On pointing out, now he is coming with in rem, in persona.
No, in rem is my lord's.
No. Mr. Dasgupta, you started by saying 1 mark.
No, that I stand corrected.
So,
My lord, they should file a report disclosing, my lord. Our expert cannot.
What the report can they
Hello.
say? They are relying upon the expert's
My lord,
opinion.
They are relying upon the expert opinion. They have stated that the expert has considered my references and they have also relied upon their own references. What are those? Considering my references, I have annexed. This clearly shows that D is the correct answer. How have they considered? They have stated in their report they have considered. My lord, if your lordship kindly comes to page 39, it has been stated that they have considered such. Considering the materials even produced by the petitioners, how have those be considered? Let them come up with that report of the expert.
Where is the email report of the expert? Page 39. It is found that in their email report,
served
the
upon
experts have.
Served upon us, my lord.
Maybe they have it, they'll produce it. Okay, please come. The
writ petition is not to be entertained for the remaining 3 minutes.
it can be dismissed anytime. The communication of the Chairman of the West Bengal Central School Service Commission dated 5th of January 2026, disclosing that the answer given by the expert is the closest to the correct answer is impugned in the writ petition. Stop. As per the preliminary answer key, comma, question number, preliminary answer key, which question was correct?
My lord, D, option D.
Option D was found to be correct. Stop. At the, no, not at, in the final answer key, options B and C were found to be correct. The petitioner's answer tallied with the answer given in the preliminary answer key. Stop paragraph. In compliance of the direction passed by the court on 4th December 2025 in WPA 27094 of 2025, Juhita Jana and others, page 34. Was the state of West Bengal and others, comma, the experts yes, the experts revisited the issue and opined that options B and C are closest to the correct answer. There is no mention as to whether option D, which was answered by the examiner at the preliminary answer key level. Key volume as to whether, yes, answer key level is incorrect. Stop. The petitioner has relied upon authentic study materials in support of the submission that answer D is also correct. Stop. Let a report be filed by the commission after taking opinion of the experts that the answer provided by the assistant professor is incorrect, and the study materials relied upon by the petitioners, authentic study material, is not correct. ঠিক আছে, released 25th of March. The report shall be circulated by 20th 20.
My lord, and the report should be annexed with the email, my lord, so that I can
The-
also come.
The issue of maintainability of the writ petition raised by the respondents is left open. What you said?
My lord, the email may be annexed with the report, that email. Otherwise, my lord, again, the same thing. That
Let us not leave it
Let-
on us.
Yes, let us see.
Something
us
should
see.
preserve for us, Mr. Dasgupta. So if you prepare.
Yes,
better.
বলুন
বলেছি।
বলতে বেটার আমরা এফিডেভিটও লিখতে জানি না
76.
লিখতে তাহলে তো তুমি তো তাহলে কোনো চিন্তাই থাক। Nobody is
76 is the petitioner there. Dismissed.
We are appealing on behalf of state.
I'm on behalf of the petitioner, Your Lordship. Lordship, I have participated in second SLST for subject history, and I have grievances against 6 questions, Your Lordship, in which 4 questions, for 5 questions, marks are given to all, though there are a specific correct answer. And in 1 question, marks are given to none, and the all answers are incorrect. I have made a specific objection regarding 2 questions before publishing a final answer key, and after publishing a final answer key, I have no chances. So I have given a representation to them.
Sure.
Kindly come to page 132, Your Lordship. I have made objection regarding question number 10 and question number 43.
Where is your oh, this is the objection 132.
Your Lordship. And after publication of the final answer key, I have given representation dated 11th November 2025.
Yes, commission.
not prepared.
All right. The petitioner raises issue with regard to the manner in which the questions of the petitioner have been assessed by the commission. Start. The commission is directed to revert with written instruction released 25th of March.
25th of March.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
78, my lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord, third, my lord. But this is a case, my lord. Kindly come to page 21, my lord. I am OBC B candidate, my lord. I have opportunity was given to upload this certificate, but at that time, my lord, due to death of my father and my only daughter who was ill, my lord, I could not upload the OBC certificate. I am a successful candidate. My name is appearing in the list also, my lord, as in the serial number 31 at page 20, my lord. I'm not an unsuccessful candidate, but if this opportunity is given to me, my lord, then
21?
page 21 is the certificate, my lord.
21 I've seen.
And my lord, the page 20, serial number 31, my lord, my name is appearing.
Hmm.
এই number কত বললো?
Page 20.
না, 20 তে নাম আছে।
নাম আছে page serial.
What do you want?
Well, that my OBC B certificate is considered, my lord, because I could not upload at that time, my lord. The time frame which was given
No, your name is there in which category?
as general, my lord. It is appearing as general, my lord. Serial number 31, my lord. Nivedita Ghosh, general, my lord. Candidate as general, my lord.
This cannot be done because the certificate is dated 6th of December. It appears.
Page
That is page 21.
21.
Verification is page 15. 4th of December was the verification. We can't do anything. And here,
But I had applied for the certificate long ago, my lord. Page 22, my lord. I applied, but at the time
Please
missed.
come. The petitioner seeks benefit of reservation under the OBC category. Stop. The certificate of reservation relied upon by the petitioner is dated 6th of December 2025. 6 December. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the commission to treat the petitioner as a reserved category candidate, relying upon the said reservation certificate. Stop paragraph. According to the commission, comma, the candidates who obtain reservation certificate prior to 21st of July for OBC.
Where is the case for the last date was 4th of December. His certificate is dated 6th of December, and will not put the record that he has applied on 24th of November, page 22. 4th of December was the date.
Page 22 is the acknowledgement slip to show that she applied.
Applied when? On the 22nd of November.
24th of November.
2020.
4th.
2025.
24th of November.
2025.
Yes.
Received on 6th of December.
Yes.
Previous page.
By that time, the verification process was over.
Page 59 is the verification date is 4th of December, page 15.
With the line cherry.
But did the candidate have a certificate earlier?
No, my lord.
The first time you got the certificate?
My lord, Sadgo community has been added later on. What has been instructed by my client, because this Sadgo community has been added later on as OBC B.
And in according to the commission, the petitioner, according to the commissioner, likhun from the documents annexed to the writ petition, it appears that the petitioner applied for getting the benefit of reservation on 24th of November 2025. Stop. The acknowledgement slip issued to the petitioner clearly mentions that the applicant is to appear for document verification. No, এটা হবে না। হ্যাঁ, acknowledgement slipটা কেটে দিন। The date for verification of credentials was 4th of December 2025. Stop. the reservation certificate was issued to the petitioner on 6th of December 2025. But suppose here the candidate applied on 24th November, and for the fault of the authority it was issued on 6th. What could the candidate do? Is it after the Supreme Court's order that the benefit of reservation given to this candidate?
My instruction was done in the month of June. This 10th of June, the categorization inclusion of this particular category.
All right.
He applies
On November.
That is,
This has nothing to do with the Supreme Court's judgment.
to the best of our
That is only A and B. Yes.
was there, not a
Fresh category of OBC.
application form was suspended. Application was suspended with the category.
Yes. Huh.
28th of July, the Supreme Court cleared it. The High Court sentence was stayed. On 30th of July, edit window was given. On 30th of July, edit window was given. On 5th of August, edit window was given. On 22nd of September, edit window was given. This petitioner did not edit. On 7th of August, he provided an FAQ notice saying that if my category has been changed, I can only mention my category. If my certificate is not there, I can mention my category and I will produce the certificate with verification. This candidate did not edit. So he was treated as general. Lordship has seen that in preliminary list his category as general. First mistake. Secondly, on the verification, he has to produce that certificate. That was
No, that the candidate did not have.
24th November he has applied. He has received the certificate.
Short period of time.
He did not act.
বুঝতে পেরেছি কি বললাম
No, I have missed 2 dates because of the death of my family members, and we have to visit fellow.
Who are you?
I am for the petitioner.
Somebody else is appearing for the
I was on my leg in some other court, so that is why I missed those dates.
Issued on 6th of December 2025. Acha. The commission had earlier issued 3 notices providing opportunity to the reserved category candidates to edit their category status. Stop. The petitioner failed to act in terms of the said notices. Stop. Submission of the learned advocate of the petitioner that the petitioner failed to edit the application form because of emergency situation in the family cannot be taken to be a good ground to accept the petitioner's prayer for editing the category status at such late stage. Stop. The petitioner did not have a valid reservation certificate on the date of verification. Stop. In view of the above, no relief can be granted to the petitioner in the instant case. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
My lord, the same issue pending. My lord, the same issue is pending as item 129 in your lordship's list. Here we have also used their 126. My lord, they have used their affidavit. We have also filed our reply. Reply দিয়ে দিয়েছি। ওইটার নাম হলো
খুশবু খাতুন।
খুশবু খাতুনের মদন মামলা এটা।
My lord, here my lord, I have challenged the ratio has not been maintained. I say, my lord, according to the rule.
Ratio of reservation?
No, my lord, ratio in the ratio of 1.6:1.
Oh, 1.6.
My lord, my point is, all those who have applied in the selection process for a particular subject, Suppose this is physical education, my lord. Let us say, my lord, 100% applied for physical. I say according to the rules, my lord, 100% has to be called for verification. From there, who are rejected, suppose 20 candidates got rejected. So from 80, they will apply the ratio of 1.6.
Whatever, once item number 79 will be heard along with item 26.
126.
126? আচ্ছা আসুন তো। Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the instant writ petition is similar to WPA 681/2026. Khushbu Khatun and others. আজকের লিস্টে 126. Stop. Let this matter be tagged along with Khushbu Khatun. Check up whether you want to file any further affidavit or the one is suffice.
But it's not a question of law.
Law, my
It
lord.
can be
Khatun's affidavit.
the affidavit filed by the commission in the matter of Khushbu Khatun shall be taken up for consideration in the present matter also. Yes, next. আসবে 80.
I'm for petition, madam, praying for not to die.
Why?
Leading advocate engaged in another court. Leading advocate engaged in another court. Court number 8. Kindly.
Item 80.
We are asking. Answer key related issue. That is what I'm told.
2nd of March.
Look.
Prolay Kumar shortcut and others.
Next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday.
লিস্টের নিচে বুধবারের ডেট দিয়ে দেবেন।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ Yes.
Regarding item number 81, I'm praying for not to down behalf of Mr. Sujit Kumar Rodmar. He's feeling unwell, left the court.
Here is a case minority lordship. The clerk is seeking experience marks for 11 and 12. He's a
So-
clerk. No secondary school experience. Teacher experience.
We satisfy my ideologically.
Teacher experience.
Yes.
Secondary.
You say experience in secondary school. You do not say whether as clerk or sweeper, as duster, nothing.
Teaching experience.
Teaching experience.
Prior teaching experience. The column is prior.
Not today?
Yes.
Not today.
Deeply obliged.
82.
My lord, I am for the petitioner.
नाम भाई मामला नाम बोलो तो
Pratap Kumar Shah. Actually, my lord, this is also the same and identical issue like 79 item number. That is the similar of 126 Khushbu Khatun. Khushbu Khatun similar. That is the 1.6.
Similar to Khushbu Khatun.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yeah, the 1.6 is to 1.
Same order as 79.
Yes, my lord. Affidavit of service. my lord.
Yes.
83.
83, I am for the petition. Affidavit of service, my lord.
Yes.
Next Budhbar for we are
ঠিক
not
আছে।
doing any of these matters. No, kindly fix
Not
it. All
ready?
these matters may not be.
Well, only
So
report
please
this
appearing for all strictness.
4 matter. 83, 84, 85,
So
86.
what's the amount?
Uh-huh.
I mean 84.
Well, marks, well, only marks.
All right.
Sir, keep on.
Next Wednesday.
Yes, yes, well, deficit court fee I have filed, my lord, and my lord, the next Wednesday, I will know.
লিস্টের নিচে নেক্সট ওয়েডনেসডে লিখে দেবেন।
Lord, I am appearing on behalf
All-
of state.
Call one by one. No, the appearance will not be recorded. In the list, it will be marked.
Well,
only.
affidavit service I have filed. my lord.
Keep it
No,
with you.
Yes, yes, দিয়ে দিন
Because they are already
আগেরটা দিয়ে
appearing.
দিন আমাকে তাহলে।
ফেরত দিয়ে দিন। No order is recorded. Affidavit of service, please return. 87,
I'm led by Mr. Das.
My lord, I applied as an OBC A candidate. My lord, according previous, I applied as an
the
OBC.
instructions there?
No. We are
No?
not ready in both these matters.
In that case, next Wednesday.
87, 88 দুটোই তো next week, my lord.
Next Wednesday. Don't call any other matter. ডাকো তো।
New motions will appear tomorrow.
My lord,
Which
only one.
motion?
Is the SLST new motion? I think
আর থাকবে না।
93 onwards?
93 onwards is separate.
হ্যাঁ, any motion তো হয়ে গেল। No new motion left.
My lord, only one thing, my lord. My learned friends are here, my lord. That second SLST matter, my lord, your lordship, Shishit Das and those matters. And Rubana Parveen, in those matters, my lord, there has been several addition of parties. Your lordship allowed them and directed the department to amend the cost title. My lord, I inquired from your lordship's officer so that we could get a copy. The difficulty I have been told by my junior, my lord, that only in respect of two addition of party, department has caused correction in Shishit Das. In respect of the other, it has not been done, probably because there was no order from your lordships. My lord, so my lord, when your lordship kindly remember that if it is taken up, so the amendment is required, my lord. Otherwise,
Lubana?
in Shishit Das, the next matter, my lord.
95?
Yes.
3 onwards. Yes, 93 is Lubana and
25 is Shishit Das.
Shishit Dash. Addition of party,
Not
the
been
amendment has
all,
not been done.
all the incorporation has not yet been done. It has been checked.
দেখবেন তো যেগুলো in all matters, possibly there are addition of party.
Parties, my lord.
আগেকার অ্যাপ্লিকেশন গুলো আছে কিনা সেগুলো অ্যালাউ হলো কিনা দেখে
My lord, this
yes
item number 89, my lord, will be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
is that this Murshidabad matter?
Yes.
No, this is a matter, my lord.
Malda? Yes.
Or lordship.
Where is the petitioner?
My lord, kindly take up my lord tomorrow, my lord.
Well, there is a provision for VRS.
You inquire from your client whether she is agreeable to obtain VRS or not.
Yes, my lord.
She has already completed more than
25 years.
25 years of service.
nearly 25 from 2001 she is serving,
She is serving.
right? So please inquire if she is willing to take up VRS, then necessary order can be passed and the matter can be disposed of. When do I keep it?
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
It is already there in the list. I have completed till 88. So there is a possibility that will be taken up tomorrow. In case it is taken up tomorrow, please bring necessary instructions.
Yes, my lord.
May I want to mention?
There is a specific memo, my lord.
Item number 129. In the morning.
What to do? I want to hear. Great application.
The 2 marks matter whether I have initially given 2 marks. Subsequently, 2 marks were omitted. 2 marks is given, then I am the
Item number 129 is an urgent motion. That means it was taken up earlier.
Earlier, my lord. It was taken up earlier. Commission appeared. The Mr. Singh is here.
Shomiran Pandey.
The 2 marks are matter.
Yes, madam. We have used our affidavit. They have used their reply.
Yes,
Ready to hear.
2 marks.
2 marks.
Then it is there in the list. It cannot be taken up.
Actually, counseling date has been fixed.
In all the matters, it is the same thing. Please wait.